Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I style my wigs. I'm not really the best at styling my hair or the wigs yet. This is just a little video of me doing it. I started with this side and just made the bun. So what I usually kind of do for space buns, a whole section. This is like the glueless method. I don't want to keep it on for a long time. I just want to keep it on for photos. Grab these little things right here. Clip this to where my wig cap is. Ensures that my wig will not move when I try to style it. This is the piece that's going to cover up the lace. Open it, and then you're going to grab the bobby pin, zigzag in between. Boom, boom, space buns. With the extra